Hi guys, welcome back. We're going to go ahead and talk about dividing fractions today, which is very similar to multiplying fractions. We just have one little extra step. Okay, so we'll go ahead and that. So remember, when we divide two fractions, you multiply by the reciprocal. And we have a fancy little phrase that you guys used a lot in 6th grade, which was copy, dot, flip, flop. Okay, which means we copy the first fraction, then make it a multiplication sign, and flip over the fraction as the second fraction, okay? Notice reciprocals are just two numbers are reciprocal when their product is equal to 1, okay? So like 1/3 and 3. They're just showing that we're just flipping the fraction around, okay? So they're just reminding us that that's what the flip-flop is for copy dot flip-flop. And do notice that -3 and 3 are not reciprocals, since -3 times 3 is -9. Okay, so some students think that just because they add a negative, that's a reciprocal. Not true. The reciprocal is the complete flip of the fraction. Now, on to our wonderful copy dot flip-flop stuff that we usually do. So I'm dividing fractions. Before I do any reducing or anything else, I copy the first one, make it a dot, and flip-flop the second one. So notice I would change 1/6 to 6/1. Now I can use the same rules as multiplication. I'm going to go ahead and cross-reduce. 3 goes into itself once, and 3 goes into 6 twice. Nothing else cross-reduces. -2 times 2 is a -4 over 1, which we can just write as -4. Okay, go ahead and try one for yourself. All right, we're going to copy, we're going to dot, and we are going to flip-flop. And now we're going to use our rules for multiplication, which tells me I can cross-reduce. 5 goes into itself once, and 5 goes into 15 3 times. 2 can go into -2, -1 times, and -2 can go into 6 and -3 times. And we could have taken care of both negatives by putting -2 in if we wanted to. Either way, it's all going to reduce out later. -3 times -3 times +3 is a -9, and 1 times -1 is -1. And when we simplify, two negatives make a positive, so this would be a +9. Okay. Also, one little thing that we don't have written down here, and we'll just squeeze it off over to here. Okay. Sometimes fractions are written like this. Like I would have 9/4 divided by 5/6. Okay. So we're still dividing fractions because we have fraction on top, fraction on bottom, and we still do copy dot flip flop. But you copy the top one, so copy 9/4 dot, you flip flop the second one. So this would become 6/5, and then cross reduce. So 2 goes into both 4 and 6, 2 and 3 times. 9 times 3 would give me 27, and 2 times 5 would give me 10. Okay, just for reference, because sometimes that does come up. Have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.